This is Seth with Skybird Roofing. We are here at 5551 Mapleview Drive in Nightdale. We're here today to do a repairability test. Here's the damaged shingle. As you can see, the creasing right there. I want to show you the top two rows here. See that there's no creasing. What we're going to do today is go for the repair, and if we find creasing and granule loss after the repair, that's going to show us that this repair is indeed unrepairable without causing continual damage. I'm gonna lock this up here, get this situated. All right, and let's see here. All right, now, okay, don't move. We are going to use our roof snake, and first we're going to show what 45-degree angle looks like using my pitch gauge right here. Let this relax, hold on. All right, and right here is your 45-degree angle. We're not going to surpass that. Let's go ahead and get this started. Where is the... Come on. All right. And let's open that back up here. Alrighty. Okay. Here's our repair. I want to show you right above it here. Look at that. As you can see, the granule loss increasing along this top row here. This goes to show that the roof cannot be repaired without causing further damage. Therefore, this roof is deemed unrepairable. Thank you. Have a blessed day.